How worried are you on a scale of 1 to 10? In this video, I'm going to take you through a very effective EFT exercise that's going to help reduce that worry and inspire you to do something about it in your life, even if that is just feeling better and feeling uplifted. So, how worried are you on a scale of 1 to 10? 10 would be, oh my God, I'm so worried. 1 is, hey, I like your earrings. I'm just going to watch this video. Say you're way up at an 8. We're going to do one round tapping on the negative of EFT, tapping right here. Even though I feel so worried about the world and about my money, I love and accept myself. Am I going to survive? I love and accept myself. Repeat after me and do what I do. Top of the head. I'm worried about the world. Beginning of the eyebrow. I'm worried about money. Side of the eye. I'm afraid there's not enough. Underneath the eye, especially for me. I'm scared. Under the nose, I'm scared. Under the lip, I don't think I can make it. Collarbone, what's going to happen to me? And then under the armpit, what's going to happen to me? Now take a deep breath in and out. When something is a big issue, I find it very helpful to go back and use an original technique that Gary Craig introduced way back when. I knew Gary Craig way back when, and I'm always grateful to him. So, check in with your rating. Did it come down a little? Maybe it was a 10 and maybe it's now 7 or 8. We're going to do the 9 gamut and you're going to see how effective it is. Now, think about the negatives. There is not enough money, not enough for me, the world's in terrible shape, all that kind of stuff. And I'll tap right here on the back of your hand and do what I do. First, you're going to hum a little tune. Close your mouth and hum. There's a reason for this. We're going to activate the vagus nerve and the right brain at the same time. Vagus nerve controls fight or flight. Very important. Reduces anxiety. Deep breath in and out. Also opens the throat chakra. Now keep tapping here and count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Activates the left brain, the logical side. Keep tapping right here. I want you to look your eyeballs. I'm going to use my finger to help you in case you need a little help. You keep tapping right here. Eyeballs down to the right, up to the right. Just your eyeballs, don't move your head. Over to the left, up to the left, back to the right, down. Also, I like to go around in a circle and back around in a circle. Now, why do we do this? Because your eyeballs are like the compass of the soul. They're looking for other negative connotations, and you're tapping here the whole time. Now, if you check your rating, you'll find it's gone down more. It's time to bring in a positive choice. A good positive choice would be, even though I'm still worried, I know I'm going to be okay. All right, so here we go. Even though I'm still worried, the world is still a mess. I could use more money. I choose to know I'm going to be all right. I'm going to be all right. I am going to be all right. Now, here's where I want you to bring your authority voice, okay? You're talking to your body, you're talking to your spirit, you're talking to the universe and your guardian angels, top of the head. I'm going to be all right. Feel how good that feels? Beginning of the eyebrow. I'm going to be all right. Side of the eye. Yes, I choose to be all right. I feel uplifted. Under the nose, I feel uplifted. I am uplifted. And collarbone, I choose to know I'm going to be all right. And then under the armpit, yes, I'm going to be all right. Now, check your rating. It's probably way down. Take some action. Tap in some inspiration to something you could do to improve your situation. Even though I'm still feeling a little scared, I'm asking for inspiration. I'm ready for inspiration. I'm ready for inspiration. I'm ready for guidance. I'm ready to move forward. I am ready for inspiration. I'm ready to feel energetic. I'm ready for energy. I love and accept myself. And I'm feeling inspired. Are you feeling inspired? Like, share, subscribe. Hit that little bell so you'll get a notice every time I upload a new video.